eggs always come unfertile. One more thing which I found very beneficial in breeding lovebirds is that when we have all lovebirds breeding separately, the only purpose of doing single pairing is that you should know towards the end of the season is that has your bird breeded properly or not. So let's just say, for example, cage number 1 all the way down till the bottom, I've written everything down in a register. Detail of every bird after every 15 days, as you can see in all pages. So let's just say, for example, we have cage number, where's it gone? We have cage number 80, as you can see. On the 10th of December, there's a line there, it means it didn't breed it. After 15 days, it didn't breed. After 15 days, again, it didn't breed. The same way all the way till the end, it neither laid an egg, neither were the eggs fertile, neither did any babies hatch. So that means is that there's a problem with the pair. So when we opened up cage number 80, then we saw towards the bottom is that that's a male, and that's a male also. So that's the benefit of having this charter and everything on record. So I would advise all bird keepers to have the same. It's very, very good. This way you know towards the end which pairs were good and which pairs weren't. Another thing which is important for bird breeders is that after your lovebird is given one clutch and it's hatched 4 to 5 chicks and it's fed everything, and what you do is that you've got to clean up the box after every clutch. Remove everything which is in the box and cut your nesting, which in Urdu we call Budgie. As you can see, is that the female sitting in the box, but it doesn't have much nesting. Okay. So this is the way. Put the nesting out in the cage in the open, and then the female and the male will come and pick up the nesting, and within 1 day you'll see your cage line. Within 2 days you'll see is that your cage will be like that, your box. The lovebird will come and it'll make a detailed nesting, full complete, and the bird will come and sit inside there. So this is how lovebirds prefer to breed in. Something which is very tight, completely covered.